episode of Roscommon News. My name is Amanda.
And my name is Joshua. This week is Samoan Language Week. Check out what we got up to.
Tato ifo matatalo ile tua. Alo la.
Iya, supaya Pak kasih.
Selector running back field while me rugged dancehall echoes. Midnight reflection, praise la da da ooh. Screams from the old plantation non-stop. Screams from the old plantation non-stop. Screams from the old plantation non-stop.
Samoa population is 198,414, and there are two main islands in Samoa, which is Upolu and Savaii.
Brothers extend the vibe to the X, but the only X Samoans knows is XXL. Over equals oversized, overstay is overstretched. Last names, back it up, can you pronounce it? Delete the era that began with ages. Visual effects guaranteed by the flick of the brown mapper now. Brown couple Polynesians been exploited.
Sports in Samoa is a big thing. We have a lot of famous Samoan sports players around the world. For example, David Tua, Brian Lima, Ele Upilonge, who won silver at the 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, and much more.
It's just my savage instinct coming back from the brink. Revitalizing knowledge that we lost. Coach your ever be you lost in the ignorance from the mom to the pop to the child.
In 2019, the measles outbreak hit Samoa in September. As of 6th January 2020, there were over 5,700 cases of measles and 83 deaths. Out of a Samoan population of 200,874, over 3% of the population were infected. A state of emergency was declared on 17th November, ordering the closure of all schools, keeping children under 17 away from public events, and vaccination became mandatory. On 2nd December 2019, the government imposed a curfew and cancelled all Christmas celebrations and public gatherings. All unvaccinated families were ordered to display a red flag or cloth in front of their homes to warn others and to aid mass vaccination efforts. This curfew was lifted on 7th December when the government estimated that 90% of the population had been reached by the vaccination program. Finally, as of 22nd December, an estimated 94% of the eligible population had been vaccinated. Today, Samoa is well and strong after the outbreak. As we celebrate Samoan Language Week, we remember those who have passed on and celebrate with them in spirit. Ta pena so oso mola malanga, which in English means prepare yourself as a gift for your travels.
I hope you enjoyed our highlights.
Manuet sele le fatsawa ina le ngangana Samoa. Olo wingo Jamanda.
Olo ingo Joshua. So far,
Soifua.